Hey, thanks for stopping by, and welcome to the Middle Miles. The journey is the destination. If you've ever tried to write a standard operating procedure, SOP, from a blank page, you know how painful that can be. Trying to remember every step, format correctly, and make it useful for someone else can take hours. But what if you could build a flawless, comprehensive SOP in minutes using Microsoft Copilot? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact prompt structure I use to turn a rough brain dump into a professional, ready-to-use SOP in minutes. Let's dive in. The secret to getting a great output from AI isn't just asking it to write an SOP, it's giving it the right constraints and structure. Instead of starting from scratch, open up Copilot and use a framework that acts like an expert operations manager. You want to give it three critical pieces of information: the task, exactly what process you are documenting, the audience, and the structure. Tell it to break things down into prerequisites, numbered steps, quality checks, and troubleshooting. I'm pasting my prompt now. Watch how fast it organizes my chaotic thoughts into a clean template. I'll just copy paste this. All right, so I put together, if you look over here on the left-hand side, act as an expert operations manager and technical writer. I need you to create a comprehensive step-by-step standard operations procedure for the following process. I just made a standard meeting room booking and then break it down to provide me with documentation, title, metadata, the objective, give me a brief summary, prerequisites and tools, step-by-step instructions, clear. So really, you want to make sure that you refine and put together your request in the very beginning with the most detailed information you can to get the best output. So that being said, let's kick it off. Look at what he generated. We have an objective, prerequisite tools, numbered sequential steps, and a troubleshooting section, all formatted automatically for us. Now, AI is helpful, but you can't expect it to do all the work for you. Scan through this document and see if it missed something, or is there something unnamed, or we really you have to put a set of human eyes on this. And if there's something that you need to change, we're going to ask Copilot to make the change for us rather than manually editing the document. For instance, here's a good point. It mentions Microsoft Teams, Outlook, etc. A lot of places out there use Google and or Zoom for Zoom room meetings, Zoom room bookings, etc. So let's just say, under, let's say, include Zoom in the process as well. So we're telling it to include Zoom for this process as well in step 2. And we'll just send it off. And it made the change for us. See it? And it's even highlighting here, showing us what it changed and giving us the reasoning behind it in the right pane. So you can really, I don't want to get too deep in this, but you can really go quite a ways just by following through this procedure, telling it what you want changed, how you want it, things edited, etc. Once you're happy with the document, export a copy of it directly and upload it to wherever you share. The only caveat I would have is please make sure you read through every part of the document. AI is not perfect. It makes mistakes all the time. Now that the time has been saved, you can really fine tune the document. It's already built this, it's created the structure, it's done most of the work for you. So really take your time at this point to fact check the document, fact check things, make sure that this is doing and saying what it is you want for your project. Using AI to build your SOP library is one of the highest level things you can do to scale your operations. Drop a comment below if you want the exact prompt template I used in this video. I'll also copy it and paste it into the description. If this helped you out, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.